name is Shreya HK from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and today I will be explaining the topic related to CAD. As in the given question, a set square of 60-30 degree resting on HP with a longer edge measures 60 mm longer, which is inclined to VP at 30 degree. The set square is tilted to incline its surface at 45 degree to HP. Draw the projection of lamina. First we have to select the line, XY line, that is nothing but XY line, and we have to take a normal line. We have to take a normal line and we select text and write it as X and Y. And we have to select 60 mm length line, and we have to select line with 60 degree. As in the question it has given a set square as 60 degree and 30 degree. First we have to take 60 degree and then 30 degree. And 30 degree it has been said in the as in the question. We take 60 degree angle and as well as 30 degree as in the given question, and remaining length we will be going to trim it, and we select visible line, and we gonna join this length with this XY line, and we gonna name it as A, B and C. We can maximize where we should join the line using visible line, and we can select text and name it as A dash, C dash and B dash. We can select and move it above, and we have to select a above line A dash, C dash, B dash, and we can use the move text and we can move it where we should on the copy option. After that we should select rotate, and we'll be going to rotate it 45 degree as given in the question. And we can draw a line at B dash, and as we can see the dotted lines, so we can stretch the line according to it as given in the dotted lines, and where we can see that A length according to A length where dotted lines has been given, where we can join. We have to remove this and we can should do again dotted lines. As per dotted lines length we should take it, from C where we can take this length to here, and we're gonna join this using visible line as we have seen, and we will name it as ABC using text again. and using alignment indicator we gonna align it. Alignment indicator we can use here. As we can see, the set square is tilted to incline its surface as 45 degree to HP. We have to draw the projection of lamina. So 30 degree we have to take, incline to VP at 30 degree. It has been given in the question, and we have to select this entire thing, and we should copy this ABC, and here on the line and then here, as we can see that we can rotate using the rotate option again, and then we're gonna draw the line. We're gonna draw the line from B dash and we are going to draw from C to XY line, and then B, and then from A, and then we're gonna take visible line and we will join this, and we will name it as A dash, B dash and C dash. And we now gonna trim it, the extra line, and we use alignment indicator. We should use alignment indicator here also. Angle between, then 45 degree here, and angle between here 30 degree as given in the question, and we have distance between that is 60 mm. Then next question, here we can see that pentagonal lamina of 825 mm placed on HP and one of its corners such that the plane surface makes an angle 30 degree with HP. The perpendicular bisector which is passing through the resting corner appears to be VP at 40 degree. Draw its projection. First we have to take the XY line, that is a normal line, and we name it as X and Y using text. And as it given in the question, we have to take first 25 mm and we have to draw the pentagonal. So we have to take 90 plus 72 and 90 plus 72 into 2 and 90 plus 72 into 3, 25 mm, 90 plus 72 into 4. and we can join like this. Here we get the pentagon, and we have to select everything, and we should give the visible line. Here we get the pentagon and name it as A, B, C, D and E. And we take the line and we join to XY line, and again from B here we have to take the line, and again from D side here we at the edge we take again the line we should take, and alignment indicator. Here we can zoom the area and we can name it again, and we should join with visible line. We have to we should use text, and we have to write as A dash and B dash in small brackets as E dash and C dash and D dash in the small brackets. We can keep it above by selecting it. Then VP and HP, we have to name it as VP and HP. And then we have to project the line that is 30 degree as given in the question. First we have to select the entire thing. We have to copy and we have to move using one corner, and we have to move it on the XY line, and then we have to use rotate option and we have to rotate it. We can maximize and see it again, where we can select from A dash to C dash D dash, and we can rotate it. This is 25 mm pentagonal lamina, and angle between is, we have to select angle between, that is 30 degree. You can use angle between option, and then we have to project the lines downwards. We have to here we have to select A dash to B dash, length is 3.5, and then we have to select we have to select the distance between A dash B dash, and here we can see that first we have to mark distance between A dash B dash, so we can align it properly. Here we should take the line, and again we have to take from B dash, and we have to project downwards. The line should be projected downwards. As we have got the length between A dash B dash, we can project downwards here. And from C dash D dash, here we can project it again till C, and we can project it till here, and we can join the lines using visible line from the corner to corner, that is edge to edge. From this to this corner, this to this end, this to this, and this to this end. And we name it again as A, B, C, D and E, as it has 5 sides. So in the as given in this question, that is the perpendicular bisector which is passing through the resting corner is appeared to 40 degree. Draw its projection. So we have to take 45 degree and downwards. We have to project the line here, and 45 degree, which is nothing but 45 degree inclined, which appears to be VP. And we can copy the entire thing, and we can place it on the line, and using rotate option we can rotate properly on this line. We can use rotate option, and we can project the line from here to here, and then from B dash again we can project the line, and here we can project from A, from B, from E, from D, from C, from B, and again we can join this using visible line. We can join this thing using visible line. By using visible line, here we can join using visible line, and then we can name it as E dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash. We can use trim, and we can trim the extra lines, and using alignment indicator we can align it. We can use alignment indicator here and there. We can align from here to here using alignment indicator. Can align it. Here we can see that projection as well as per the given question.